You're watching the Modern Redneck channel, and I'm Ben, the Modern Redneck. If you like any of our videos, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Every bit helps. Let's get into it.
This is the Teslong inspection camera. Now this one is a little bit different from some of the other ones. This one's fairly cheap. It's actually less than $30 on Amazon, but it's semi-rigid instead of either just rigid or just flexible. This is semi-rigid. So you do get some support and can shape it, and it does have a good bit of strength, and I've found it really useful. In fact, I actually got one for my dad for Christmas, and he loves it. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so we got this cable. It's got a USB-C port by default, but it also comes with a lightning adapter for all those iPhone users out there. Okay, just some booklets. Okay, here is the user manual. It's pretty straightforward, and that is the Use Plus. That's USEE Plus app that you can get on both Google Play and the Apple App Store. Okay, this is just showing you some of the features of the actual app. Okay. As you can see, here's the device compatibility and all that. It's I mean, it's a really great little tool. Okay, it also comes with 3 end pieces. Okay. This is a little magnet piece right here. This is a little mirror attachment. And of course a good old hook. Yep. Now they just simply attach onto the end of the camera. Okay, since I am using my, and you can see this is actually a good length of camera. I mean, let's see if we can figure out how long it actually is. Now the model is NTC 30p. Okay, to try it out, I will have to stop recording and use my phone, hook it up to my actual phone to use.
Okay, so this is the Use app. It's pretty straightforward. Capture photos, videos. And the nice thing is that once the app is installed, the second you plug in that camera, it'll pull the app right up, ready to go. Okay, so as you can see in that video, it's actually pretty good quality. Now, I was just going up under my dresser. I know there's a lot of dog hair from my older brother's dog, Henry. He's a Labradoodle, and he sheds way too much. Okay, so as you can see, take videos, photos. It's lit. You got the camera, and it's got the end attachments for the hook, the magnet, and the mirror. Those are three pretty useful attachments. So keep that in mind when you're thinking about getting one, and they're not that expensive on Amazon. I think it was like $26, $27. That's not bad. Pretty good quality too. So hopefully you liked the video. Check out some of our others. Make sure you subscribe to The Modern Redneck. And again, this has been The Modern Redneck. We keep you in the loop, but off the radar. Have a good one, y'all.